Hello, today I'm going to change the headlights on a 2008 Ford F-150. Both sides are pretty bad. Alright, look at the headlight. You get this panel with this cover we're going to take off. Unscrew the screw, the Phillips. Just pop right out. So once you get this off, you access this bolt and this bolt to take off the headlight. Take off, these are 10mm bolts. Another 10mm bolt at the bottom. Come to the top, 10mm bolt up here. Once you get that bolt out, the headlight assembly will come out. This little tab you'll lift up here and it'll slide out. So you have to pull it kind of hard because there's a tab down here. You can see this tab is in there, so you kind of pull it out. Sometimes it's easier to remove the light, so then you can push down on this tab, pull the light out. The new headlight comes with all new bulbs, so I'm just going to stick this one back in the housing. Took the light bulb out, you can see how old it is. Push on the tab, mine cracked, but it will pull out. So, pull out, and put it back in the housing. Disconnected that one to the housing. We got it loose. There's the old and the new. So we got the new light. Comes with bulbs, all new bulbs, so just plug them all in. Just plug them all in. Plug the middle in. Then you're just going to line up this tab. Goes right here. This tab goes in the hole, just line that up. And this is going to go over right in here. I know it's seated in there. This goes right here. Everything lined back up. Just fold it back together. Turn the 10mm back up. Take this, put it back in, get your screw, just push it back down, covers back in, put the new headlight on. Old and the new. New headlights on the 2008 Ford F-150. This video helped you out. Thanks for watching.